This video will demonstrate a brand new app called Free Cash that will give you 90s for watching each and every advertisement. Regardless of whether you are using a computer or a smartphone, you may access their website at free.com or download the app from the Play Store. The first thing I want to show you is how to withdraw your money, so just go here where it says Cash Out. As you can see, you can cash out your money using different payment methods like PayPal, Bitcoin, and other cryptocurrencies, as well as Amazon gift cards or Google Play gift cards, etc. But my favorite and preferred method is the Trustpilot review site, where there are thousands of reviews about them. As I mentioned, Free Cash will pay you money just for watching ads, but there are also other ways to make money on this site. To create an account, simply click the Sign Up button in the top right corner. You can then sign up with your email address and password, or simply use your Google account. Once you log in, this is how your dashboard will appear. Let me quickly demonstrate how to do that. The first place where you can also make money is this leaderboard. By clicking on it, you will be taken to this page where you can, in essence, enter to win $500 every day, as it says here. The daily leaderboard will reward $500 per day. However, you must first earn a certain number of points for this, just like these people right here and these people. Now let's speak about the second place where you can also make money on the website. So you want to go to free.com. By earning those points, they will also have the possibility to win a free $500 in addition to what they already earned just for being active on the website, which is quite great. Jax will send you to this page where you can see that they are giving away a total of almost $3 million for free. All you have to do is enter and participate in these little games. For instance, these games here allow you to win 30 cents for each of them once, earning you $3 for each one, and even these games where you can win $9 for nothing at all by simply double-clicking it and playing the game. This is really cool because if you scroll down to the section labeled Recent Wins, you can see how much other players are winning on this every few seconds. For instance, this one makes $1, this one makes $6, and this one even makes $8.05 for free, which is awesome. Let's return to the home page and discuss the most crucial aspect of earning free money, which is watching advertisements. After all, you clicked on the video in the first place, right? However, make sure you also liked it, and let me know what country you are from in the comments. So when you go to the homepage, you can see that there are 3 different ways to earn money on here. Featured offers, offer partners, and survey partners down here. But offer partners is what we will concentrate on because if we just hover over it, it says that offer partners contain hundreds of tasks to complete in order to earn coins, and most of these tasks are just watching ads. So what you want to do is just click on one of their partners here. Let's go. The moment you click on Laudably, a list of companies that will pay you to view their ads will appear. For instance, the ad right here will pay you 2,000 coins. The ad here will pay you 2,400 coins. The ad here will pay you 2,400 coins. The ad here will even pay you 177,000 coins. So make sure you guys watch until the end, because I'll also reveal my own secret method that I use on this site to make earnings like these in a very short, the app to your smartphone. As you can see, they already have over 1 million downloads on Play Store, which is crazy, so LUD is one of the best offers, and begin earning points that you can then convert into actual money, as I mentioned before. You can do this on both your computer and your smartphone. If you have Android, just go to Google Play and search for Free Cash. Partners here where you can watch adverts and earn money. Additionally, they have the highest rates. Just keep in mind that Revenue Universe and Luda are your best options for watching ads, though you can also try these other partners. Now, I'll show you one more way to make money on this site, and then I'll give you my own method that I use so you can also make hundreds of thousands of dollars, and you don't even have to do the work yourself. So make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And now let's get started. If you simply go up here to the section labeled Featured Offers, you may see various offers that you can also complete in order to earn money. Examples of such offers include things like viewing movies, downloading games and applications, doing quizzes, etc. Simply click the View All link, and all of the offers will be displayed. Currently, you can earn a respectable living here as well. Since many of these offers are games, if you enjoy playing video games, you might as well come to this website and get paid for it. All you have to do is just choose and click on one of them, and it will then show you the instructions you have to follow in order to earn money. For instance, if you download and play this game here, you will earn $18 for this game, and you can earn $20. One special tip I'll give you is to always go here and choose Source by Highest Reward so that it shows you offers where you can make the most money. You can also go here and select what device you are working on: Android, iOS, or a computer. For instance, they might ask you to keep the app on your phone for a few days or something similar. Just read the description. All of these offers are active worldwide. One special tip I'll give you is to make sure you always go here and choose Source by Highest Reward. Now let's actually discuss how you can make money on this website without doing the work yourself, because perhaps you don't have much time to spend on it, or perhaps you have other obligations. To continue earning passively while you are doing other things, I like to use their affiliate program. If you go here and click on Refer Your Friends, it will display your affiliate link when you invite other people to use it. So, just for referring them to the site, I'm going to show you exactly how to get 1,000 people within the next 24 hours. First, click here to copy your referral link. Next, I'll show you 2 places you can go to get these people. The first is classifiededs.com, which most people are unaware of. Many people are looking for jobs and work-from-home opportunities on this website. And such, as you can see, there are business chances, creative employment, etc. You can essentially visit one of them and then start telling other people about your referral link. Facebook is another simple platform where you can also get free traffic to your link. You can simply join Facebook groups related to make money online, and then you can start inviting people to your link too.